After 4 years at Zimmer Biomet, it's time to move on. I wanted to leave something behind, not just as a memory, but as a piece of everything I work on here. These artworks reflects my journey, firmware, electronics, mechanics, design, everything I built and I learned. A heart beat next to my name as if a part of me is still here, but its light needs another light to shine, just like ideas, just like creations. They only continue when given the space and energy to grow.